Apple technician will now decline iPhones that have been listed as missing on a global database. This policy is expected to deter thieves from sending in stolen phones for repair and sell them off. An internal memo was seen by McRumors advised technicians at Apple stores to consult if the phone is listed in the registry as missing. Technicians have been to refuse to work on the device. Users can report their device as missing on the GSMA device registry by updating the list with phone's IMEI number. The number can be found in the iPhone settings app under General About. Apple's latest policy is an additional step in ensuring that stolen phones are not sent to Apple's technicians for repair. Currently, Apple stores and service providers are not allowed to repair an iPhone if the customer is unable to disable the Find My iPhone function, a geolocation service that tracks where an iPhone is according to McRumors. The iPhone has long made it a target for thieves. If you want to follow the trend in technology, just subscribe and watch Tech Moment. Embracing technology.